Hello everyone, welcome to Nandini's recipe. Warm Happy New Year to all. May this year bring good health and happiness to everyone. Today I have come with a healthy recipe because I wanted to start this year with a healthy dish. I have planned to do the Andhra's most healthy dish, pesarattu. Pesarattu is done with green gram, which is full of protein and it helps in digestion, manage diabetes and improves weight management. First, soak the green gram for 5 to 6 hours. It is best to soak it overnight if you wish to do it as a breakfast. Now, the green gram for making pesarattu is soaked well in water. Now let's make it into a fine paste, and the consistency of the batter should be such that it is like the one that is prepared for making the idlis. Transfer the green gram that is well soaked in water to a mixer jar to make it into a fine paste. Now, the batter for making the pesarattu is ready. Transfer it to a large bowl. After preparing the batter for making pesarattu, add finely chopped onions, cumin seeds and coarsely crushed pepper to the batter. Add the fried onions to the batter or raw onions to the batter. But I always prefer to have fried onions to the batter because it will add more taste to the pesarattu. To a well heated pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil and finely chopped onions. Say about 2 onions. Along with it, add 2 finely chopped green chillies and some curry leaves. Along with it, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seed or in Tamil jeeragam. Add half tablespoon of roughly crushed pepper powder. Saute the onion well until the onion turns golden brown in color. Now transfer this to the batter that we have prepared to make the pesarattu. Add a pinch of asofoteda that will help in digestion, and then add 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix the mixture well. Add water to the batter and mix it well and ensure that it is neither thick nor too watery. Simultaneously, let's prepare a chutney for the pesarattu. Today I have decided to make a street style coconut chutney. For that I have taken a cup of coconut and half cup of roasted Bengal gram. Along with it, add 1 green chilli, 2 garlic, a small piece of ginger and a small piece of tamarind, so as it will give tanginess to the chutney. Now make it into a fine paste and transfer this paste to a bowl. In the meantime, to a heated pan, add some oil, mustard seed and curry leaf. Roast it well and transfer it to the chutney. Now the chutney for the pesarattu is ready. Now spread the batter evenly over the pan as you would do it for a dosa, and add some oil to the sides of the pan and some ghee on the top of it, and cook it well on each sides for about 4 to 5 minutes because the green gram takes some time to be cooked. Now our pesarattu is ready to be served. Transfer this to a plate. The Andhra's pesarattu is ready to be served along with coconut chutney and red tomato chutney. Do try this recipe at your home, and you can also give it to your kids, especially if they are fussy eaters. They will really love to have it. Check out the description box for the details of the ingredients used in this recipe, and do share this healthy recipe with your friends and family members. Subscribe to my channel. Your subscription values a lot to me.